Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add Pinterest to Shopify store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, what you need to do is simply head over to your online store and then you need to click on customize. So just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Head over to customize and here at the bottom you can see we have a social media section. So if I head over to my settings and you can see we have various options in here, but actually if we should be onto our sections, or if you click on your footer, you can see we have the all of the control panel related to everything. So we have our social media icons, and if you want to modify them you can head over to your theme settings as well. If you want to simply hide them or make them pop up on the screen like this Instagram, you can easily do that. And you can see we have various other controls in the settings as well, from where we can also incorporate our Pinterest. So you can see in settings we have the social media, we have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and if we add our Pinterest link in here, you will be able to see that it will be showing up in this section. You can see now it is added. So that's how you add Pinterest to Shopify store. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.